Commander et prendre la commande means to order and to take the order. Now, here is pour prendre la commande means for taking the order. Who is it? Serveur. Serveur means waiter or a waitress. Waitress will be a feminine one, so it will be a little bit different. Now, client, who means client. Pour prendre la commande, for taking order. Pour commander, for ordering. Now, before we know what we're going to order first, we have to know these. We have l'entrée. L'entrée means a starter. Le plat principal. It means a main course. Le dessert, dessert. L'entrée, le plat principal, le dessert. Now, et pour monsieur et pour dame. Means and for misters and for madams. Alors, vous avez choisi. Alors, so, vous avez choisi. Did you choose? Et comme entrée, and like starter. Et comme plat, and like main course. Et comme dessert, and like dessert. Vous allez prendre une entrée. You're going to take a starter. Vous allez prendre un dessert. You're going to take a dessert. Now, this is how you order, pour commander. Comme plat, comme entrée, as starter. Comme plat, as main course. Comme dessert, as dessert. Je vais prendre. I'm going to take. Comme entrée, as starter, you can say, comme entrée, je veux prendre une glace. In that moment, it means, as a starter, I'm going to take a ice cream. But ice cream actually is a dessert, so like that. Now, pour payer, for paying, combien je vous dois, D-O-I-S. It means, how much do I owe you? L'addition, s'il vous plaît, means l'addition is bill. L'addition, s'il vous plaît, it will mean bill, please. L'addition, s'il vous plaît, it means bill, please. S'il vous plaît, it means please. Okay? This is how you take an order if you are a waiter. This is how you order if you are a client.